guys, and welcome back to my channel, where today I'm going to show you how I clean my makeup brushes. I use my makeup brushes a lot in my work, so now we have all this time off, I thought it would be a good opportunity to give them a proper clean and disinfect them. So why do you need to clean your makeup brushes? Well, it's simple really. The less dirt you have on your makeup brush means the less dirt you get on your face. Brushes can build up loads of nasty things like bacteria, old makeup, dead skin cells and oil, which can clog your pores up and lead to breakouts. Also, clean brushes apply your makeup better. If you apply your makeup with a dirty makeup brush, this can cause streaks and patches. So now you know how important it is to clean your brushes. Let's go! Here's everything you need to clean and disinfect your brushes. Baby shampoo or a gentle shampoo, antibacterial spray, oil. I use sunflower, and this is to condition your brushes and make them nice and soft. A makeup cleaning pad, a comb, and a towel. Now you have all these things, it's time to start cleaning. Step 1. Mix together the antibacterial spray, oil and baby shampoo using the ratio 1 part antibac spray, 1 part oil and 3 parts baby shampoo. Step 2. Cover your makeup brushes in the shampoo mix and use the makeup cleaning pad to thoroughly clean your brush. I'd suggest doing this over the sink to avoid mess. Step 3. Rinse off the brush and the pad and repeat the shampoo process until the water runs clear. Step 4. Squeeze out any excess water and use the comb on your bigger brushes to get into the centre of the brush in case there's any trapped dirt. For smaller brushes, just use your fingers. Step 5. This is optional, but for an extra thorough clean, wipe down your brush handle with an antibacterial wipe or a face wipe. Step 6. Place on a towel to dry. I usually leave mine overnight for the best results. Step 7. Repeat the whole process again with your other brushes. And there you go! It's as simple as that. I would suggest you do this every couple of weeks to make sure your brushes last longer, and also give them a wipe down with a face wipe after using to avoid build up on dirt. I hope you found this video useful, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye!